The Context tab has an option to limit the words that appear in the Context tab to only selected parts of speech. The most important words in a given passage are usually the nouns and verbs. Set your search version to a Greek morphology version. Choose Search on the main menu, then choose Search Version. Find the category for Greek, then choose a morphology version like the BGM. You can also type BGM on the command line and hit Enter to change your search version. Now, to limit the words displayed in the Context tab list box, click on the Context tab, right-click within a list box, and choose Context tab word options in the Context menu that appears. Uncheck every part of speech except noun and verb. Then click OK. The list boxes have now adjusted to display just nouns and verbs. Selecting these checkboxes not only removes the words from the display that occur frequently, but which usually have less significant exegetical weight. If you wish to view other parts of speech, or return the Context tab to view all parts of speech, right-click again in the list boxes, and in the Context menu choose Context Word tab options, then recheck any parts of speech that you wish to display, and click OK.